Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Do you feel like the icons on your Xiaomi phone are too big or too small? Adjusting the icon size can make your device feel much more personalized and comfortable to use. Today, we'll show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. Let's dive in. Start by opening the Settings app on your Xiaomi device. On the home page, scroll down and tap on Home Screen. Once inside, look for the option labeled Icon Size and click on it. Now, you'll see a slider that allows you to adjust the size of your icons. Drag it to the left to make your icons smaller or to the right to make them larger. The app will give you a real-time preview so you can see exactly how the icons will look. Once you're satisfied with the size, simply exit the settings and your changes will be saved automatically. And there you have it. You've successfully customized the icon size on your Xiaomi smartphone. It's a small tweak, but it can make a huge difference in how you interact with your device. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.